Well, hello everybody. Today we're going to do a simple Facebook ad, basically a sponsored ad. What I'm going to do. So let's log on to Facebook now, and I'll show you guys. First of all, you're going to need a business manager. I already created one, so I'm not going to show you guys how to create one here. I will make another video how to do that. Okay, so this is my business manager part. Now we go to the settings. We go to Ads Manager. We're just going to create a simple ad. All right. All right. Now go to Create. Now there's three popular sponsored ad types: brand awareness, reach, and traffic. Those three are the most popular, choices when it comes to creating ads. But today we're just going to do reach because it's just a simple process. All right. Now we're going to create a campaign name. If you look along the left side, you'll see three sections: campaign, ad set, ad. Each of those we're going to have to name. Now this part here, the budget, I only have a $20 budget. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to purposely make a mistake so I can show you guys that it's easy to come back and correct that. Okay? Instead of picking a lifetime budget, I'm going to pick a daily budget, and I'll change that after. But I'll show you guys. Now we're to the second part of this thing. This is the ad set name. Okay, make sure that you have the correct Facebook page for the right company. We're going to jump right into targeting right away. My first target is going to be Saskatoon, like just Saskatoon. That's the Saskatoon area. Now you can either do a 10-mile radius around Saskatoon, or you can do a 25-mile radius around Saskatoon. Actually, that radius is it's totally up to you how far you want to go. But for this purpose, I'm going to stick with just the default settings at 25, which includes some of the towns outside. There's not a lot of young people who buy crochet stuff, so I'm going to start off at 25 to 65. We're going to just do just women. Like I said, this is just going to be a simple ad for you guys to check out. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna do some detailed targeting. I'm going to start off with some. I'm going to start off by browsing some popular terms and keywords that I think are going to be relevant for this ad itself. And we're going to keep going doing this. And once I get a list of actual key terms, I'm going to do I'm going to go into suggestions now. And when you go to suggestions, what that does is it creates a suggestion list based on some of the keywords that you've chosen already. So as you can see, some of the suggestions were pretty close on what I wanted to do. Now this part is connection type. Now this is kind of an important area, but again, for this purposes, I'm not going to dive into that. This is just going to be a simple ad. Excuse me. Okay. Now it goes to all devices. Make sure that it's going to be on Instagram and Messenger. Here's another list of things where you can actually post your ad. And I'm going to try to choose as much areas as I possibly can just to show you guys what you can do. Of course, there's articles. People read articles, so I might want to throw my ad in there. Okay, now for the schedule. Now, normally people will just let it run till your money runs out, but me, I have a $20 budget, and I like only running ads for like maybe a week and a half at the most. So that's why I'm just going to do it 10 days, 20 days at the most. Now this part here, this is how many times the person sees your ad. So it'll be once, so I'm changing to once every 3 days so they don't get sick of seeing my ad basically. All right, now we're going down to the actual ad itself. Okay, today we're going to do a carousel ad because the company that I'm creating an ad for has more than one product. They have scarves, shawls, miscellaneous stuff, toques. I'm going to try and include all that into this one post. So this is how you basically upload the images. You can either upload it from the list you have there, or you can upload it from your computer. And it's a very simple process. It looks fast on here, but to be perfectly honest, it takes a while for these pictures to upload. I'm editing this video, so the reason why it's going fast is because it's been edited. Okay, and the default settings is like only 3 images, but if you wanted to add a 4th image, you just press that plus button right there. Yeah, that's the one, and there you go. And you just do the same thing. Select image, upload, or you can just pick one from the list. And there we go. As you can see where it says headline, that's what, look on the right side where it's underneath it too, it says headline. That's the name you're changing. Now the reason why it's not changing now is because I have the 4th image, I guess, selected, but that heading part changes heading 1. And then you'll see it says descriptions as well too. You can also change that. That's that section that's underneath heading. I'm sorry I didn't have that on there now. It would have been a lot easier to read that, but just to let you guys know that part connects, or those things edit that part there underneath the tube. Now let's see the primary text. That's right above it, and you can see it changing at the top there. Now that should have been done to the other ones, but like I said, I should have just selected the first image so you can see it. Now here's the call to action. I'm just going to choose learn more, and I'm just going to direct followers, potential customers to our webpage. Okay, and there you go. It's uploaded. ad is done basically. So it was pretty quick. Now, as I said, I made a mistake before. $20 a day budget. That's not what I wanted to do. I have a budget of $20, but that's a lifetime budget. That's all I have. So instead of spending $20 a day, I'm gonna go $2 a day for 10 days. So this way, that $2 can be used, or that $20 can be used. All right, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my ad. That's simple. That's creating a simple ad to be a simple Facebook ad to be used on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. And yeah, anybody can do this. Once you get that process done, it's very simple. So yeah, it does take some experience and some know-how on how to figure out this system itself. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it.